You're welcome to this our lesson on using the pentatonic pattern to solo and play our songs. And during this lesson, we will be introducing 5 steps that we can follow to be able to use the pentatonic scale to solo on a song. And please, if you have not subscribed to our video, please do so that you do not miss out on our subsequent lessons. And during this lesson, we will go step by step. The third step, we will introduce a song that we will use as the example to use our pentatonic to solo. So stay on to the end of the lesson for maximum benefit. And do not forget to keep a note of whatever we are doing. And above all, subscribe and welcome to this lesson. We are going to be using this position and we'll display it on the screen for you to follow. Do copy it out and let's get into the business of the day. Our first step is to master playing the pentatonic pattern. And we are going to use this G major pentatonic pattern. So, as simple as that, you just ensure that you master this step to be able to play it with ease and be able to play it from string 1 right to string 6 and from string 6 down to string 1. So that is one requirement to be able to use the pentatonic pattern to solo. We go straight to our second step. Our second step is to know what are the root notes. The second step is understanding the root notes. These are the root notes. And since we are playing it on this G, our root notes will be the G note. And we have 3 root notes here. This is G, this is G, this is G. Now, when we follow our diagram here on the chart, guitar chart here, we will see that we have 3 root notes. We have G here, we have G here, and we have G here. So in this our second step towards using the pentatonic patterns to solo, you ensure that you master how to play the root notes. And what is the simplest way to master these root notes? Now, if we observe here, this is finger 2. This A is being played by finger 4. Now the next root is G here. It is being played using the finger 4. And then the next root here is being played using the finger 2. What do we mean? Look at the chart. Look at the chart and let's play it practically as we follow the chart on the screen. Please write it down on your notebook for quicker references hereafter. So this is the finger position of G. This is 4. So it is 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now, our root note or the root note here is G and it's on 1. No, sorry, it's on 2. Played by finger 2. And then the next root note is finger 4 on string 4. And then the other root note is string 1 finger 2. So you will notice that whatever is played on the string, on string 1, is the same with string 6, because you remember this string is E and this string is also E. So whatever is played here is the same with whatever is played here. So in playing this pentatonic, you will ensure that this G here, played by finger 2, is also played by finger 2 on this string. So this is what we are going to have. So this is this, and then we add with the other root here. We are only playing the root G, 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 G. Make it musical. G, 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 G. G here, G here is forming a V, and then the other G forms a V up. So now that is our second step. So now we have the combination of being able to play the notes, the whole pentatonic, and then being able to summarize we are now summarizing just the keynote. So after being able to summarize the keynote, we are going to now use a simple song. Let's use a simple song to see how to use just the root note to play the song. And our song is going to be a very simple song and a popular song. We can easily follow it. So we'll use this song. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. When nothing else could do, love lifted me. And we'll do it very simple. And we'll put the notes so that we know where to be coming in on the root notes. At this stage, we are only concerned with the root note, which is G. We'll ignore the rest for now. And the key notes, love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could do, love lifted me. We're only using the G, just the key note. Love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could do, love lifted me, love lifted me, love lifted me, when nothing else could do, love lifted me. You see, we have only used the key notes. Now, after having used the key notes, we'll now try to see how to add other notes. And like any other song or any other soloing you want to do with the pentatonic, please ensure that you can play the pattern well. First, ensure you can play the pattern well. Please do subscribe. Then secondly, ensure that the root. We have an exclusive video just for drills that pertain to the pentatonic. So please ensure you follow us. Thank you. And they could be played in any order. You can come from here to here to here. And please ensure that the hand positioning is in this 4, and this hand positioning is on 2, and this hand positioning is on 2. Is playing the same thing. Why are we doing so? We are doing so because it will free these other hands for other. You can as well play it like this. It will still sound. But if we start manipulating and adding other notes, if you are just playing like this hand, these fingers will be redundant. But if the fingers are left here, you'll be able to manipulate them. That is why following the hand positioning is very, very important. That's the finger positioning is very important. So that's why we insist on it. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. When nothing else could do, love lifted me. This is what we are trying to play, just using the key notes. This is the chart for the key notes. So now we have our root, and in between the root, we have the triad. Do, mi, so, which are part of the pentatonic. So since you already know the triad, the do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, so, mi, is already an additional advantage. So we have the roots, and in between the root, we can play the triad. Love lifted me, Lord lifted me, when nothing else could do. Love lifted me. So we now have an additional triad. An addition here is the triad. So love, instead of just having it, me, love lifted me, when nothing else could do. Love lifted me. So add the triads today to the stage. Now we love lifted me. Well